নমস্কাৰ, মই জেনিফাৰ আহমেদ আৰু মই আজি উপস্থিত আছোঁ এজাইল হস্পিটেলৰ আৰু এই বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানটোত আমাৰ লগত উপস্থিত আছে ডক্টৰ ভাৰ্জিনিয়া। মেম, ৱেলকাম টু আৱাৰ পডকাষ্ট শ্ব'।
Thank you, Jennifer, for inviting me to your podcast. Let me introduce to my audience.
Sure.
I am Dr. Virginia Shankpian, Consultant General Surgeon working at Agile Hospital. So I hope our audience will get a lot from our podcast today.
So আজি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিব গৈছোঁ पाइल्सৰ ওপৰত। मैम, आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पाइल्स ऐसी चीज़ है जो हर लोगों को संकोच करता है, इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय होगा?
हाँ, करेक्ट, यू आर ट्रू। अक्सर देखा जाता है कि लोग पाइल्स के बारे में ओपनली डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहते हैं। इनफैक्ट दे आर वेरी एम्बेरस टू टॉक अबाउट पाइल्स, यू नो, इट्स समथिंग रिलेटेड टू देयर प्राइवेट पार्ट्स, यू नो, दे आर एम्बेरस। And if you have noticed, Jennifer, like आपने भी बहुत लोग से maybe with your friends you might have discussed many diseases, बहुत सारी बीमारी के बारे में। क्या कभी किसी ने आपके साथ पाइल्स के बारे में शेयर किया हो? You know, even if people try to share, you know, क्या करते हैं लोग कि they will make fun out of it, है ना। प्लस ऐसे मेरे क्लिनिक में मैंने काफ़ी फीमेल्स पेशेंट को आते हुए देखा विद वेरी हाई ग्रेड पाइल्स, यू नो, मे बी ग्रेड 3, ग्रेड 4, सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, है ना। द ओनली फैक्ट इज दैट कि दे डोंट वांट टू गो एंड शो इट टू द मेल डॉक्टर्स, एंड दे आर वेरी, like, you know, few female surgeons available in Guwahati or maybe in other parts of India. So gender is also one of the major problem. So yes, it is true, we have to accept this fact that people are very much shy to talk about piles, and awareness among them is very, very important.
Okay. And our next question is that आपको क्या लगता है, how common piles in India and who is at most risk?
See, piles is very, very common among India. In fact, you know, 50%, you know, adult age group may have piles one in their lifetime. That is the fact. If we talk about male and female, male are more
Correct.
to suffer from piles, with the fact that smoking and alcohol is one of the causative factor, है ना। तो that increases the risk. फीमेल्स में that doesn't matter कि फीमेल्स में बहुत, मतलब पाइल्स नहीं देखा जाता या बहुत कम है, इनफैक्ट फीमेल्स में भी है, बट मेन कॉज जो फीमेल्स में है that is, like, you know, most of the time is pregnancy related.
Yes.
Yeah, pregnancy related. So yeah, it is common.
So मैम, अगर अभी हम लोग का अगला सवाल है, क्या चीज़ें डेली लाइफ में जो पाइल्स के कारण बन सकते हैं?
जो पाइल्स के कारण बन सकते हैं, यू मीन टू से लाइक व्हाट आर ऑल द रीजंस, राइट? फर्स्ट थिंग इज क्रॉनिक कॉन्स्टिपेशन। लाइक कॉन्स्टिपेशन एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो हम लोग बहुत हल्के में लेते हैं। मे बी, यू नो, बच्चे मतलब कॉन्स्टिपेशन से सफ़र कर रहे होते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म में, पेरेंट्स ध्यान नहीं देते हैं उसका, तो कभी ना कभी, यू नो, व्हेन दे रीच टू दैट मिडिल एज ग्रुप, you know, they suffer from piles. So constipation is one of the major factor जिसको हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम इग्नोर करते हैं कि okay fine, it will be fine, या सेल्फ मेडिकेशन लेते हैं. So that is one of the thing. If you see, like, in today's generation, right, they are in a very bad habit of taking junk food.
Yes, exactly. Junk food is the main reason.
वो लोग मतलब वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, ये चीज़ से भागते हैं एज इफ इट्स देयर एनिमी. तो जंक फूड जो है दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर कॉज. प्लस दे डोंट हैव द हैबिट ऑफ टेकिंग एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. वी से कि एटलीस्ट 3 लीटर पानी ज़रूरी होता है. यू नो, ह्यूमन बॉडी 75% मेड ऑफ वाटर, सो एटलीस्ट 3 लीटर एक दिन में ज़रूरी होता है. वाटर इटसेल्फ इज़ अ वेरी बिग रेमेडी दैट पीपल डजंट एक्नॉलेज, राइट?
मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल टेक कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड ऑल.
एग्जैक्टली, दे प्रेफर, लाइक अभी समर आने वाला है, दे विल प्रेफर, लाइक, यू नो, जूस,
cold drinks.
हाँ, cold drinks. So that is an additional factor that adds to the cause of piles. और एक चीज़ बहुत ख़राब है, इफ़ यू सी लाइक पीपल आर सो मच एडिक्टेड टू मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, इवन व्हेन दे गो टू टॉयलेट दे टेक देयर मोबाइल फ़ोन्स,
Yes.
और बहुत लंबे समय तक वो लोग टॉयलेट के अंदर ही रहेंगे. So you know that positioning for a very long time is also one of the
Reason.
one of the reason
Okay.
that people suffer from
Okay.
piles. So all these things have to be corrected. It's
Okay.
very very important.
Okay.
Yes.
And the next question is that piles का early symptoms क्या हो सकता है?
Early symptoms of piles is perianal itching हो सकता है.
जी.
Most people they say कि they ignore
हाँ,
perianal
ignore करता है
itching.
बहुत
हाँ,
लोग.
वो लोग शर्म करते हैं. Again that शर्म का factor, embarrassing factor आता है.
जी.
Okay, they don't usually go for small things to doctor.
Okay.
Passing stool discomfort feel होना, stool pass करते वक्त. Those are the things. Bleeding while passing stool.
Okay.
That is also one of the symptoms. Mucus discharge is another symptoms. So all these things have to be considered, and it's an indication कि हाँ अब डॉक्टर को दिखाना ज़रूरी है. But people क्या करते हैं, self medication में ज़्यादा believe करते हैं. They go with self medication, and even they have a fear कि there are certain myths which
Yes.
is associated. They are fear of going to the doctor कि नहीं डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे तो सर्जरी ही बोलेगा. But
जी
that
हाँ.
is not true. That is not true. Yeah.
तो हम अक्सर सुनते हैं कि बहुत सारे myths है and facts and regarding piles.
Yes.
So let us crack the myths.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So whether piles happen due to only spicy food?
No, spicy food will aggravate the symptoms of
All right.
piles.
Okay.
It aggravates. It does not cause piles.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Whether piles always need surgery?
Piles does not always need surgery.
Okay.
Lifestyle modification, bowel habit itself, मतलब early
Okay.
stages of piles
So
will help
surgery
you
is
a
not
lot.
necessary, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
With grade 1 and 2 of piles, surgery is not always necessary. बस lifestyle modification, आपका bowel habit, ये सब चीज़ों को ध्यान अगर दे दे थोड़ा सा, तो you don't need surgery. Surgeries are needed it in later stages,
All right.
where patient have severe, problem that their daily activities are getting hampered with piles. तो वो उस समय पे surgery necessary, but it's not always necessary.
Okay. So most of the people think that surgery is important,
Exactly,
necessary, right?
exactly. They will always think कि
Okay.
piles अगर हम लोग surgeon के पास गए तो they will always ask for surgery. It's
Yes.
not true.
It's not necessary.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. Whether piles are same as fissure and fistula?
No, it's completely different actually.
Okay.
These are three
What's the
different
difference between
conditions.
that?
Yeah. Let me tell you, these are three different conditions that
Okay.
occur in the perianal region. So piles is it's associated to the venous drainage in that area.
All right.
Yeah. Fissure is completely different. It's kind of, if I can say it in a simple word, it's like, ulceration. Probably mostly occurs because of chronic constipation.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason is same. And fistula is something very, very different from these two conditions. So it's not the same.
Okay, both
Yeah.
are different, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Three
Whether piles can lead to cancer?
Piles will never lead to cancer.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that we completely ignore that. Once we suffer cancer, you understand this thing that cancer may cause piles.
Okay.
So piles can be one of the symptoms that occurs because of cancer, but piles itself will never convert it into cancer.
Ma'am, whether piles occur only in elderly people?
No, it's a complete myth. Piles
Okay.
can occur at any age group.
In age group, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Ma'am, whether piles can be cured by permanently with home remedies?
No. Piles will never get cured
Okay.
with home remedies.
Okay.
Although it can release few symptoms with home remedies, but piles itself will never get treated with
Okay.
home remedies. Yeah.
Whether piles always bleed?
It's not always necessary that you have piles, the bleeding will occur. Piles can be present even without bleeding. It can exist there without bleeding as well.
Okay. Whether piles surgery causes incontinence?
Yeah, if we talk about earlier, there was no advance, like, in today's world, the surgery field is so much equipped with advanced instruments and all. Here in Agile Hospital, we use all the advanced technology to treat piles. It's not like
Yes.
previous conventional where you have to, like, if I can say in simple word, that you cut piles, that what we used to call as hemorrhoidectomy, right?
Okay.
What we do here is we use laser. So laser is so much advanced that it's giving a very good result, and we are not at all touching the sphincter, so it is not causing, like, patient hardly comes with incontinence. So with advanced technology, I will say that very less chance of incontinence.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. And whether piles sitting in cold surfaces causes piles?
No, it's a complete myth.
Okay.
Piles sitting in cold surfaces does not cause
Cause some-
piles.
okay.
Exactly. So anything that gives much of pressure, your bowel habit is not good. Those are the reasons that causes piles. Sitting in cold
Okay.
surface does not cause piles.
Okay. And whether piles are always painful?
Piles not always painful unless it is in a severe form, like, we have strangulation of the piles. That means the blood supply is cut off to that region, or it's a thrombosed piles. It is
Okay.
always painless.
Okay, painless.
Yes, exactly.
sometimes-
So when we talk about fissure,
Okay.
most of the time I see my patient, they present with piles along with fissure. So these two conditions go hand in hand,
Okay.
because constipation causes both, like,
Okay.
fissure and piles. So fissure is the reason that causes pain. It's not piles.
Ma'am, thank you so much for cracking us the myths. Ma'am, last request to you is that can you provide us take-home message to our audience?
Oh yeah, sure. So what I would like to say is, all bleeding is not necessarily piles.
Okay.
And all piles does not need surgery.
All right.
So keep hydrating.
Okay.
Keep taking high fiber diet. Avoid junk foods, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
আপোনালোকৰ যদি এনেকুৱা পাইলছ ৰিলেটেড প্ৰব্লেমছ থাকে তেন্তে আপোনালোকে কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত জনাব পাৰে, নাইবা স্ক্ৰীণত দিয়া নম্বৰটোৰ সৈতে যোগাযোগ কৰিলে হ'ল। থেংক ইউ ছ' মাছ।